Hey guys, you know who it is. It's your boy Alex KO Tech coming at you guys with another one. We got the DOSS Extreme Boom S. Alright. It's an IP67 waterproof speaker. Received it today from Amazon. It has a 9,000 milliamp battery, 60 watts. Oh, sorry, it's IPX6 waterproof. Okay, it has different lights. It does have reverse charging with a USB type A, I think, or I don't know if it's USB type C. I gotta check. So yeah, let's get this open. No need for editing because we got the tripod. Okay. I like that. These are easy. I don't need a knife. There we go. So let's pop this open. Oh. Sorry about that, guys. I'm pretty sure the speaker's facing this way, though. Here we go. Put these things back in the box. Where they belong. Where they belong. We got the little strap for the speaker. It's a carry strap. But I don't find this speaker to be that heavy, to be completely honest, to need a strap. Let me open the door for my dog. Come on. Okay, so we got a little tape over here. Okay. Oh, so I could have left this taped up on this side. Didn't matter. Okay, that's fine. So let's pull it out. And I got this one because it's my favorite color, blue. Move this out the way. It is my favorite color, blue. So here we go, guys. Further back so you guys can see it is blue. It says DOSS. The handle has blue on it. And it has different color lights. So let's get this on and let's get the pairing. See the different lights right here on the capacitive radiators. Okay, so I forgot, this is the button right here for the lights. This one right here, see, you can turn them on, turn them on. I like that light fashion. All right, so let's connect it to one of my iPhones. I'm gonna do this one. Let's connect it to this one. Let's connect it to the 16 Pro. Let's connect it to my 16 Pro, okay? Give me a second, guys. I'm trying to get this. Let me get this a better. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so under Bluetooth, to make it easy for you guys, I'm sorry, I should have been showing you guys this. Under Bluetooth, is going to pick it up under Extreme Boom S, which you see I'm connected. Sorry about that. You're going to look for Extreme Boom S on your phone's Bluetooth settings. Searching, you're going to connect to Extreme Boom S, is what I mean to say. And now we're going to play some non-copyrighted music from YouTube. Where's my YouTube channel? Right here. Okay. Non-copyrighted music. Non-copyrighted music. There we go. Look, YouTube, copyright-free music. See? This is without bass. Now we're gonna turn on the bass. Bass is turned on. So I'm liking it. I'm liking the sound. It's loud. 60 watts. Sounds like 60 watts to me. Definitely has 3 light modes, guys. I'm sorry I should have done this before Bluetooth activation, but you know, better late than never, guys, like I like to say. So we do have USB Type-C to charge the speaker. We do have USB Type-C, and we got USB Type-A to USB Type-C or USB Type-A to Lightning port for reverse charging. And then we got the aux cable, and it does support a memory card. So you can put a memory card in here. And of course, this seal has got to be in here tight, really, really tight like this, in order for this speaker to be able to go into the water, in order for it to be IP6 X6 waterproof. So yeah. Love that it's blue.
See, I need you like the radio. You keep the beat alive. Gotta have you like the stereo. I need you in
non-copyrighted music.
Hey, you're my obsession. Baby, you're my melody so sweet. Hey, you're my obsession.
So guys, overall, a great speaker at a great price. Right now till Black Friday, you know, right now till Friday, this speaker will be on sale for $59.99. And original price is $100. It is definitely worth it. I paid $100 for the first one. I got the all black one, but I wanted the blue, even though it only has blue here and the black one is just all black. So I will be dropping the affiliate link down below. If you guys are interested, take a look at it, purchase one, and you won't regret it. And it's not even that heavy. It's really not that heavy. And it comes with the straps. It does come with the straps just in case you want to put the little hooks here and carry it that way. But definitely a great looking speaker. Love the blue. They have it in blue, orange, green, and all black. Those are the 4 colors. Blue, orange, green, and all black. All 4 colors. So yeah, guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. You all ready? And thank you for watching.